Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix eBay listing error on Printify. Alright, so let's begin. If you're running into an eBay listing error on Printify, here's a step-by-step guide to fix it. First, make sure you are signed into both your eBay and Printify accounts. Inside Printify, click on My New Store from the left-hand side and open your eBay store connection. If you haven't connected eBay yet, you'll need to click on Add a New Store, select eBay, and then go through the prompts to link your account. Once your store is set up, you should verify that everything is properly configured. To do this, ensure that you have an active eBay seller account, since you cannot list products without it. You also need to set up a payment method, confirm eBay's business policies, and complete the connection process. Without these steps, listing errors will likely appear. Another important thing to check is whether the item you're trying to sell is allowed on both Printify and eBay. If it's a prohibited product, your listing won't go through. Always review both platforms' rules to avoid policy violations. If your accounts are connected correctly and you're still seeing errors, the next solution is to reconnect your eBay store. Go back into Printify, navigate to Manage My Stores, find your connected eBay account and delete it. Confirm the deletion, then reconnect it by selecting Add New Store, then select eBay and following the prompts again. This refresh often clears up listing errors. By checking your account setup, verifying policies, and reconnecting if needed, you should be able to resolve most eBay listing issues on Printify. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix eBay listing error on Printify. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.